Looking for the perfect way to enjoy icy, refreshing drinks right at home? In this video, we are exploring the best home slush machine that will transform your favorite beverages into smooth, flavorful frozen treats. From family gatherings to parties, these machines are a must-have for fun and convenience. All product links are in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the #1 spot on our list of the best home slush machines is the Ninja Frozen Drink and Slushie Machine, a powerful and versatile solution for anyone who loves icy beverages made fresh at home. What sets this machine apart is its rapid chill technology, an innovative two-part system that spins an auger around a cooling cylinder to freeze liquid evenly and maintain the perfect temperature, giving you smooth and refreshing frozen drinks every time. Unlike traditional methods that require constant ice refills, this model works without the need for ice, creating a hassle-free experience that fits seamlessly into your kitchen. The Ninja Frozen Drink and Slushie Machine can handle a wide range of beverages, turning wine, coffee, soda, juice, or even chocolate milk into rich, flavorful frozen treats. With one-touch frozen drink controls and 5 preset settings, you can choose from tailored temperature and texture options that deliver consistently smooth results, whether you want a thick, icy slush or a thinner, drinkable blend. Depending on ingredients, recipes can be ready in as little as 15 minutes, with up to 60 minutes required for maximum capacity. The large 88-ounce vessel, with a liquid capacity of up to 64 ounces, is easy to fill, remove, and clean, providing multiple servings of 9 ounces each. This slushie machine even keeps your drinks perfectly frozen for up to 12 hours with its advanced whisper chill compressor, all while operating quietly. For sugar-free recipes, it includes a clever solution by recommending sugar substitutes to ensure proper slushing without compromising flavor. Cleanup is straightforward, with dishwasher-safe parts, a detachable lid, and a drip tray that makes maintenance simple after each use. Stylish, easy to operate, and designed with both performance and convenience in mind, the Ninja Frozen Drink and Slushie Machine is a top-tier choice for anyone who wants to elevate their home beverage game with professional-quality frozen drinks. Taking the second spot is the CHIVALZ Slushie Machine, a premium choice for those who want restaurant-quality frozen beverages without the hassle of ice or pre-chilling. Designed with a high-performance compressor and flash freezing technology, it instantly transforms juices, coffee, wine, or even cocktails into smooth slush with ease. Unlike traditional methods, it does not require ice, making it a convenient and mess-free solution for both everyday use and entertaining guests. The CHIVALZ Slushie Machine comes equipped with 6 preset programs, including ice cream, slush, spiked slush, chilled juice, milkshake, and frappe, giving you the flexibility to create a wide range of frozen treats. Its LCD display allows precise temperature control, enabling you to adjust the texture of your drinks, from thick and creamy to light and refreshing. This makes it perfect for experimenting with different recipes, whether you're preparing margaritas for a party or milkshakes for the family. One standout feature is its pre-scheduling capability, which lets you program your drinks up to 12 hours in advance. This ensures that your frozen beverages are ready at the exact time you want, eliminating last-minute stress and providing consistent, high-quality results. With a maximum liquid capacity of 68 ounces, this machine produces 5 to 6 servings of 10-ounce drinks at once, making it ideal for family gatherings, movie nights, or celebrations with friends. The safe fill mark of 54 fluid ounces ensures reliable operation, while the 64-ounce maximum gives you flexibility for larger batches. Convenience extends to its user-friendly design, featuring an intuitive control panel and a self-cleaning function that simplifies maintenance. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring quick and thorough cleanup after each use. Quiet, efficient, and versatile, the CHIVALZ Slushie Machine is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, delivering professional-grade frozen beverages with minimal effort.
At number 3, we have the Fiii Slushie Machine, a stylish and highly efficient option for those who enjoy frozen drinks made quickly and with ease. Built with advanced 360-degree quick chill technology, this machine eliminates the need for pre-made ice cubes, instantly transforming your favorite liquids into slush within 15 to 45 minutes. Its powerful cooling cylinder ensures even freezing, delivering perfectly textured icy beverages every time. With an impressive 72-ounce liquid capacity and an overall capacity of 92 ounces, the Fiii Slushie Machine is ideal for family gatherings, small parties, or casual get-togethers where multiple servings are needed. Designed to be energy efficient, it operates quietly while producing smoothies, milkshakes, margaritas, or frozen cocktails without unnecessary delays. The included recipe guide makes it simple to experiment with new flavors, while the user-friendly controls allow you to enjoy a wide variety of frozen treats at home. Equipped with a high-brightness LED display, this model offers 6 preset modes and 10 adjustable thickness settings, letting you tailor your drinks from thick and creamy to light and refreshing. Real-time temperature tracking ensures consistent results, giving you professional quality frozen beverages without a trip to the store. Cleanup is made simple with a convenient self-cleaning mode, while all removable parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time after each use. At number 4, the BKPPM Slushie Machine earns its place as a versatile and convenient frozen drink maker designed to simplify the way you create icy beverages at home. Say goodbye to the hassle of ice cubes because this innovative machine uses advanced freezing technology to rapidly chill liquids into perfect slush without extra effort. Simply pour in your favorite juices, coffee, wine, or cocktails and watch as it transforms them into smooth, delicious frozen treats in as little as 15 minutes. Equipped with 6 preset programs, the BKPPM Slushie Machine offers endless possibilities, including ice cream, slush, spiked slush, chilled juice, milkshake, and frappe. This versatility makes it ideal for creating everything from refreshing margaritas and creamy milkshakes to indulgent frappes and frozen desserts. With a generous 70-ounce capacity, it is built to handle small family gatherings as well as larger parties, ensuring everyone has a share of refreshing drinks. The user-friendly LED display provides real-time temperature monitoring, allowing you to adjust thickness and texture according to your preference, whether you want a rich and creamy consistency or a light and refreshing finish. Adding to its convenience, the one-touch reservation function lets you preset your drink to be ready at exactly the right time, making it perfect for relaxing and entertaining without stress.
Finally, taking the 5th spot is the UJR Slushie Machine, a feature-packed option that goes beyond just making frozen drinks by also functioning as a soft-serve ice cream maker. With this innovative machine, you can enjoy smoothies, iced coffee, slushies, milkshakes, and even homemade ice cream, all without the need for ice or pre-frozen bowls. Instead, it locks in pure flavor with every blend, giving you perfectly chilled beverages that never suffer from the dilution caused by melting ice. Whether you crave a creamy vanilla ice cream, a rich chocolate dessert, or a fruity smoothie, the UJR Slushie Machine makes it possible with just the press of a button. Boasting a generous 68-ounce capacity, it produces up to 5 servings of 9 ounces each, making it ideal for family gatherings or parties. For smaller occasions, its minimum portion setting ensures no waste while still delivering a perfectly sized treat. Convenience is a priority with 6 preset modes that let you switch between smoothies, slushies, milkshakes, and soft-serve ice cream instantly. A real-time temperature display provides precise control, while the one-touch scheduling function ensures your frozen creations are ready exactly when you want them.